this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Thank you so much for coming. And what is this here? No, I did not buy anything else. This is something that I am pulling back out of 2019. Grab it. And pulling it into 2020. Part of what I'm doing this weekend is just kind of cleaning out the old, getting ready for the new. I spent 4 hours de-kitting everything that I had in containers, putting them up on my shelf, and I thought, you know what, it is 12:21 a.m. Michigan Eastern Standard Time. My husband and my daughter and my dog are all sleeping. I drank a Mountain Dew about 30 minutes ago, and I'm like, so I decided I'm going to do this video. I've been meaning to do it for a while, but now that I have my space clear and I can breathe, here we go. So I was approached by this company back in 2019, months ago, and I was asked, as many of us were, to do a review. And in order to do a review, they set a canvas for us to review. Now, I have been wanting this particular photo for a very long time. I'll stick it in right here. It has been in my wish list probably since the second or third week I started diamond painting. So when I saw this on this company's site, I was like, I've got to have that one. I ordered I believe it's a 60 by 60. And let me just measure it real quick so we can be as accurate as possible. Yes, it's a 60 by 60, which should be plenty big enough for the actual image. However, as I started doing the image, I don't know if something was wrong with the computer program. I don't know what was going on, but it was not coming out how I desired. So I'm going to show this to you, and I just could not finish it. I got maybe, I don't know, it stops here. It's right there. I think I got, let me measure. And I put it up, and I thought, you know, eventually I'll get back to it. So I got 35 by 31 area done. So about a quarter of it done. A little over a quarter. Okay, so here is what's going on. Now, in the camera, it may look like it's looking good. However, this is supposed to be, like, the colors are all off. I mean, it's just, I don't know, it's just crazy. So out here, I understand. I'm fine with the sky and how it's supposed to look. What was really bothering me is how, and like I said, I'll put the picture up here so it's kind of like a side by side, how the framing of the, I keep wanting to say easel, but it's not an easel. What do you call that thing? A gazebo. The framing of the gazebo in person is really, let me get up close, is distorted, very pixelated, and the color scheme is just this blah gray. Okay, so, I mean, at least have this be black. I think it would have looked better. There was also there was a little bit of popping, and some of the symbols were hard. I mean, they're very clear, but because they're very close to each other, let me show you. Get up and personal. trying to find where the camera is here. There's some symbols. All right, so I'm going to take a picture, and I'm going to put the picture right here. So the symbols are very close, and so even with a light pad, I had to pay very careful attention. So I'm going to undo this side. So yeah, it just, I'm not happy with it at all. Not happy. The blending of the colors could have been so much better. It's just, I'm not happy with it. So, what I am saying is I'm very happy with this company hearing feedback from us. So I know they are working on symbols changing. I know they are working on their computer programming. I know that there was a huge concern. They are a company, an overseas company, and as there should be, there was a concern for copywritten artists. Photos were being used, or paintings, and my contact said, please, 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 because they don't have the setup to know that, to let her know right away, and they will take it off the site as an option. So I'm hoping, you know, every picture I have sent in that I've said, hey, look, this is someone else's work, I've gone back and it's been taken down. So I know that doesn't, she's not the marketing person. I mean, she's the marketing person. She's not on the back end. Anyway, so I'm trying to give them the benefit of the doubt, trying to work with them. So the company is Victoria's Moon. I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there that aren't impressed or happy with them, but I also want to give them another shot to see if some of the updates that they've done to their canvases truly do, you know, are taking into account our feedback. So if they would be willing, I would be more than willing to try and do this canvas again and maybe do a comparison video to show how the changes have happened. I'd be very open to that. This is a square, and see where that takes us. Or, you know, this could be the end of my journey with them if they're not open to that. But I do know that they're doing, at least my connection is doing all that she can. And I know that they're trying to work on the copyright issue as well. So if you do go check them out, know that there are canvases coming out of Victoria's Moon that are significantly better than this, and that they're working on it. I just not have had a chance to see for myself. And yeah, and what I love about them is their customer feedback. They're taking it and they're running with it. So if you see artwork on there that shouldn't be on there, please contact them. Give them 24 to 48 hours to take it down, because they are, excuse me, I always yawn. That's how you know it's my video. But yeah, please just give them a chance to take it down and keep them informed, and we're gonna get through this together. So this is Victoria's Moon, and I hope that I can give them another shot and see how this image might be able to be better, and the symbols may be better as well, and not so similar. So love you all. Thank you so much. Please hit the like button if you did like this video. If you want more videos like this and aren't a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. And until next time, take care. Be blessed. Bye-bye.